So hello, good morning in Canada, good afternoon sa Dubai, good evening sa Pilipinas. Akala mo yan, alam mo, lahat ng panig ng mundo kagad meron tayo. So ngayon po, I will just discuss yung opportunity. Okay, this is an opportunity presentation na ibibigay ko sa inyo. Okay? This is just purely for information purposes. Wala po tayong binebenta, wala po tayong pinipilit, wala pa tayong kinukumbinsi. Okay? For information purposes lang po yung gagawin natin. For you to be aware that there is something na bigyan natin good opportunities na nakita namin. Ako nakita ko personally and I'm really excited to share. To share this, of course, at the end of the day or the end of the presentation, it's all up to you to decide kung ano man po yung decision ninyo. Of course, go back sa person na nag-invite sa inyo, nag-send sa inyo ng video na to for your nang makuha niyo yung mga information. Okay? So, yun po yun. So, ako po si Dennis Serjan, Ma'am MD. Okay, nandito po ako sa UK. I am working as an IT at ito, sabi nga natin, side hustle. As a side hustle ko ngayon itong ipipresent ko sa inyo and this really an exciting opportunity. At mamaya, after the presentation, ipapakita ko sa inyo ng live yung dashboard ko mismo. And in this opportunity, whether you believe it or not, we can start without capital. This business can start without capital. Kasi most of the time, ang reason natin is wala akong puhunan. So, di ba, napakabigan, saan ako kukuha ng puhunan? Wala akong puhunan. But in this opportunity, really we can start without capital and I can share to you how later, especially do sa dashboard makikita ninyo. So, start ko lang po, mag-share lang ako ng screen and then we can start so at least you have an idea kung ano yung meron tayo dito and sabi nga natin para maintindihan natin kung ano yung mga dapat nyo maintindihan. So, paki-confirm po kung nakikita yung screen ko.
Opo, sir.
Yeah.
Kita po.
Thank you.
The next din.
Okay, yes. So, welcome to 3FO. So, our platform is called 3FO. Okay, this is the next gen affiliate OS. Okay, so kung meron pong operating system yung cellphone natin, may operating system yung laptop natin, meron din pong operating system yung 3FO o yung affiliate marketing which is 3FO. Okay? So this is a powerful ecosystem that is built for future of finance. So 3FO combines innovation, technology, and community to create a system for everyone that can win together. Okay? So what we have in 3FO. This is really important for you to know kasi para malaman natin that this is a digital products. We have digital products. We are in the digital world. We are in the digital finance. We are in the everything now is mostly digital. So to understand these things, kailangan din nating matuto ng technology at maging digital magkaroon ng digital mindset. So digitally yun na yung world natin. Ayaw nyo man o hindi, wala tayong magagawa but to adapt, but to, sabi nga natin, to uh, continue learning about digitals. Okay? And in this presentation, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung digital finance world. Okay? So we have some digital products in the digital finance world na sabi nga natin, pwede nating pakinabangan. Of course, it depends on the situation. So ang first one is meron tayong blockchain. So the blockchain, may sarili tayong layer 2 blockchain that is now being converted to layer 1 blockchain. So this is the backbone of our ecosystem. Okay? BTCC or Bitcoin Code is our native token. So yun yung pinaka-native token natin, yan yung kinukuha natin, ano? And then meron din tayong miners, so NFT miners. Bakit tayo may miners? Yan po yung miners because yung Bitcoin Code po magkakaroon lang tayo niyan if we started mining. Parang ginto, 'di ba? O kaya silver, o kaya yung iron. Hindi natin 'yan basta-basta makukuha lang sa kung saan. Kailangan nating minahin 'yan, maghukay sa bundok, sa ilalim ng lupa, whatever. Kaya lang dito sa Bitcoin Code course, digital. Sabi nga natin, internet connections ang importante, and then everything will work para sa atin. Wala na tayong hindi na tayo papawisan, hindi na tayo hahawak ng piko, ng pala, whatever. Okay? If you want to learn more about this, we can have a pure separate discussion kung paano yun dito. Because I'm really excited to share to you is Rift. Okay? This is the opportunity na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Like I said, papakita ko nga yung dashboard ko later. But Rift is a auto trading system. So if you're looking for something that will make your money work for you, I think this is an opportunity for you to see. Okay? I'm not saying that you will like this at the end of the presentation, but I am requesting for you na be open-minded. Maging open-mind tayo. Ang pinakang least na magiging makukuha nyo dito is you learn something new. Ibig sabihin nga natin, if we learn something new in everything that we do, parang natutuwa tayo, uy, maganda pala yung bagay na yan, or whatever. So, yun yung mga importanteng bagay na meron tayo. So, Rift is a fully automated AI-powered trading system, okay, na ginawa siya in Hyperliquid. What is Hyperliquid? Okay, sabi nga natin, if you are hindi kay techie, but pwede nyo pa rin i-research kay AI, nandyan yun. Type nyo lang what is Hyperliquid at ibibigay niya sa inyo yung reason what is Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid is a layer 1 blockchain, which is the fastest blockchain at the moment in the world. So, sabi nga natin, that is something na meron tayong system that is scalable because of the system. So this will give us consistent performance and will stay in control of our funds, which is the very important. Mamaya i-discuss ko sa inyo very specific why we are in control of our funds. Okay. So yun yung importante kasi 'di ba sabi nga natin in a bank, pag nilagay natin sa bangko yung pera natin, ang alam natin we are in control of our money, but literally no. Alam naman natin na pag sinabi ni bangko na hindi mo pwedeng galawin yan, i-froze niya yung account na yan, wala kang magagawa. Okay? Dito, iba yung meron tayo. Kaya mamaya papakita ko sa inyo why. But of course, meet the CEO. So siya yung CEO, siya yung visionary natin, visionary CEO na nag-create ng Rift, nag-create ng blockchain natin, nag-create ng miners natin, and everything in between na meron tayo sa loob ng 3FO. So at the heart of the 3FO is the leadership, the vision, and execution that our CEO is doing. So imagine the vision. He is creating a long-term, scalable, where the community wins together. Lagi niyang iniisip is the community. Alam niyo, sino ba yung community? Tayo. Hindi niya iniisip yung sarili niya. I mean, realities, kung selfish siya, or sabihin natin, napakatalino niya kasi. Kung selfish siyang tao, ginawa niya na lang lahat yung project na meron siya, and then sinarili niya lang, and then yumaman siya, and then naging milyonaryo na siya without us, without the community. Pero hindi. He's thinking of a community. And he is not just a CEO, okay? He was recognized uh, 2 years ago ng Forbes India. He was awarded last year with the Times Leadership Awards and other businesses awards. So ganun siya sabi nga natin ka-popular. Not just a CEO that comes from around na something na hindi natin alam kung anong meron. He is really doing his best for everyone. Now, this is the moment. I'm introducing to you Routing Intelligence Futures Trading, or RIFT. So Rift is a next generation future trading platform that combines intelligent routing, automated execution, and non-custodial infrastructure to enable seamless tradings across crypto, stocks, and commodities. So it's built on Hyperliquid, like I mentioned earlier. So it delivers fast, transparent, and institutional grade execution while keeping users in full control of their capital. So I understand siguro if you have been part of some crypto businesses or crypto affiliate marketing system that we used to have. Sabi nga natin na we deposit our funds, and then they said we are earning. Okay? But in reality, we are not in control of our funds. We are not in control of everything. Once the website shut down, then it's gone. Dito, mamaya ipakikita ko sa inyo why. Why this is, we are in control of our funds. Why, sabi nga natin, na kahit anytime, pwede nating ah, bawiin yung funds natin without the help of the company, without the help of the website. Which is really, really amazing. Ito yung tinurok sa inyo. Like I said, sinabi ko kanina, yung bangko, kinokontrol nila tayo. But now, since we are in a decentralized finance, this should be the concept. This should be the execution na meron tayo, that we control our own funds. Okay? So, RIF is making the complex trading simple and fast. So, makikita nyo dito sa left-hand side, this is the part of the application wherein we trades crypto. So simple. So sabi nga natin parang parang calculator lang yung nakikita natin, no. But this is an execution of executable trades na po pwede natin gawin anytime. Mamaya makikita nyo rin yan live with my personal account. And this is going to be blow your mind, sabi nga natin. So you have the options on how to get involved in RIF. Okay. These are the options. Firstly, you can access the application 100% free through Telegram mini app. Okay? So what this means, you really just need to download Telegram, registered, and then you can have access to RIF app. If you don't know, of course, siyempre, if you are really willing to learn, I am happy. Everyone who invited you or shared to you this video will make sure to assist you on what you are going to do step by step. But we all know that hindi naman ganun kahirap i-access ang Telegram. It's like WhatsApp, Messenger, uh, SMS messages. Ganun lang siya. It's a communication tool na ginagamit natin. But meron nga lang special features which is nakakapag-create ng mga mini applications. Okay? And then also, once you are in RIF, magkakaroon ka ng $10,000 virtual fund free, and again for life. Okay? 100% free. So, if you wanted to test the market, sabi nga natin, you wanted to test the market, okay? Mamaya ikukuha ko sa inyo, ipapakita ko sa inyo, but there were clues here na makikita ninyo like this one, meron siyang clue na yung market is going up or going down. Okay? So, bullish means up, bearish means down. Okay? Nakikita niyo yung price dyan and whatever, but nandito yung 10,000 nyo. Okay, remember, this is going to be, you are going to be trading live in the market. Okay, live. Ang hindi lang live dito ay yung fund. Because syempre, digital funds, virtual funds, then of course, you're going to earn virtual money. But of course, if you wanted to earn real money, you have to do it with real money as well. So you can switch between demo and live trading account anytime. So simple, so quick, slider lang yan, makikita nyo yan. Mamaya ipapakita ko rin yan live sa dashboard natin. Then personalize your experience. Okay, so mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo kasi I did something dun sa trading natin wherein mamaya mag-enjoy kayo, matutuwa kayo kasi ako natuwa ako with what happened with just $11. Okay? With just $11 that I did, you will be surprised. Okay? Mayroon akong pakikita sa inyo mamaya. So stay tuned. And then of course, meron na tayong available yung futures trading is now live also in Rift. So if you are a trader, kung talagang trader ka, and you have been trading sa Binance, sa Bybit, sa BitGet, or any exchange, you are trading futures there. Now, in RIF, you can also do that. So there is a live trading also on RIF, which is the futures trading. Okay? Or, see, all available from your mobile phone. So, ibig sabihin, you can use this on your mobile phone. Of course, you can use this also in laptop. I will show you mamaya kasi I'm using my laptop and I will show you my dashboard using the laptop. Siyempre sa phone, nakikita niyo naman, it's easy. Ganyan yung itsura niya using sa ating laptop. So it's available on mobile phone, on laptop, or on tablet. Or there is another way. Yung mga binanggit ko kanina is mostly for manual trading. If you can see here on the left hand side, this as we can do is all manual trading. Now, there is an options for you to let your Rift app do the work for you. Ito yung sinasabi natin na let your money works for you. And kaya nga sabi nga natin, this is automated, di ba? So put your profits on autopilot. Imagine you're eating, you are sleeping, and then you are earning, and then you can just repeat that every time, every day. And which is yun yung nangyayari sa amin. I mean, ako personally, I really enjoyed what's going on here, no? Kaya talagang kung meron kayong naiisip ng mga questions mamaya, especially pag nakita niyo na yung dashboard, would be very very amazing na lahat ng pwede niyong tanong may tanong niyo. Pero ako, hanggang ngayon yung excitement ko nandyan pa. Now, we have the Rift Auto Trading Engine. So this is the auto trading engine. Okay. So we have, like I said, let your money works for you. So ganun lang kasimple yung sabi nga natin yung trading ni Rift. But yung manual ipapakita ko sa inyo, nakakatuwa kasi yung manual talagang maganda. Okay? So let's dive in. So how are you going to have the automated trading engine? Okay? Like I said kanina, yung access to Rift using manual trading is 100% free. But if you want to have an automated trading, you need to have license. And we have 3 licenses available in our platform. Okay? So you have to purchase this with USDC. Okay? And then you need to use the network base. Kung paano yan, we can do a different training. I can give you the whole training of doing this. But for the meantime, just for information purposes, hold your questions, write it down, and then if you are really interested in being a part of the community, being a Rift traders, then I can give you the full information. So we have the Microflow first license, the second license is SmartFlow, and the third license is AlphaFlow. So how much is Microflow? It's $100. Okay. And then, of course, these potential earnings, if you are already mining BTCC, then this is a potential for you. But for now, since you're going to be only a trader in Rift, then you can just set it aside and then we can discuss this further. Okay? And then Microflow is a stable automated trading strategy. Okay, these 3 licenses is somewhat called the strategy or the trading mode. Okay, so yun yung ginagawa. Kumbaga meron siyang type of risk na nakaakibat dyan sa loob ng mga licenses na yan. Wherein, kaya kailangan nating pumili with that. Okay, so we have the SmartFlow which is worth $500 and it's called the balanced trading performance on its intelligence. And then we have the AlphaFlow, which I personally have. This is the one that I have. I bought the license of $1,000. And then this is a high performance trading. Mamaya makikita ninyo. One thing in common in these 3 licenses is they have a validity of 365 days. So users can purchase any RIP licenses to activate their desired intelligence trading mode. So you have your own choice. Okay. And then RIP licenses activation offers higher potential with boosted returns of BTC staking. So this is simply, okay, when you have your license, this is the something, and then you can start trading with $11. Okay, $11 and to unlimited. So you don't have to worry about, sabi nga natin, kung magkano yung gusto mong start. Kaya lang, siyempre, ito automated na to. Once you put in the money, it will do the work for you. And mamaya makikita nyo why and how it's working. Okay? Now, this is the next way to earn. The first one is the trading. This is the second way to earn. Okay? This is a multi-level, not multi-level income earning, but up to level 5 only. We don't need to go through like unlimited number of team. This is just only for this level. We make sure that this is a 100% working because siyempre sabihin nga na natin na bakit hindi natin siya i-share if we are really uh, sabi nga natin nare-receive yung mga blessings natin on this with the help of this opportunity. So the first one is on the manual trading. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na you can start without capital. You can start doing the business without capital. But syempre, hindi naman ibig sabihin pag sinabi mong you can start without capital is you will not do the work. Kasi yung you will not do the work is on the auto trading. Doon ka mapupunta. Kapag wala kang gagawin, auto trading. Pero pag manual trading, may gagawin ka. Eh ano ba yung gagawin natin? Later, I will explain. Okay? So meron tayong 0.1% fee for every downline trade volume. So ibig sabihin, everyone na mai-invite mo, pag nag-trade siya manually, meron tayong percentage na nakukuha. And then, of course, that percentage, yung 33% ng 0.1%, mapupunta sa builders o sa network o saan, kanino sa tayo yon, atin yon, no? So, of course, there's a level 1, so you get 25 until level 5. This is the percentage, as you can see. And then this is like the example. Let's say, si Sir John, nag-trade siya ng $1,000. Automatically, there's a fee of 0.1% of that is $1. So out of that $1, we will get the 33 cents. And that 33 cents, we will be able to get the 25% of that, which is this. Imagine sa isang tao lang yan. What if you have so many people, lalong-lalo na kung may mga kilala kang traders. And ito yung sinasabi kong free. Ito yung sinasabi kong free. Paano? Okay? Let's say wala kang pang-trade. Wala kang, nag-registered ka lang kay Riff. Kinuha mo yung link nung nag-invite sa'yo and then nag-registered ka kay Riff. Pagkatapos mag-registered kay Riff, okay, meron ka na rin sariling referral link. Ngayon, dahil excited ka, nga lang wala ka pang kapital, excited ka, share this opportunity. Share this Zoom link, share this, sabi nga natin, itong Zoom replay na to kung papanoorin mo ulit. And then what? Every time, nalwa, marami kang kilalang trader, every time na yung mga in-invite mo, nag-trade. Every time na magti-trade sila, ibig sabihin nun, kikita ka ng level, level, level. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo saan nyo makikita yung kinikita dyan. Okay? Pero meron yan. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, every time na meron kang refer na nag-trade, you are earning. So, you are earning for referrals. Okay? Maliliit lang yung makukuha natin, cents, pero pag naipon natin yan, and mamaya makikita ninyo, simple lang yung nangyari, pero kumikita talaga. Okay? At ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano nangyari. Excited ako talaga. This Zoom na to. So, ganun lang kasimple. So, you are not doing anything. You're not trading. You're just sharing your link. Someone do the trades na gustuhan nila sa tuwan, and then you are earning. You are 100% earning in that. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple. So, do the work, share the opportunity, and then you earn. And then, once na meron ka nang naipon, eventually, you can start trading for yourself. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Okay? Ganun siya nakakatuwa. So, yun ang kung ano meron tayo dito sa manual trade. Like I said, you can start. Hindi na pwedeng maging reason na wala akong kapital to start this. Now, we have the auto trading. So, auto trading, the difference is we are getting success fee. So every cycle of the 24 hours, you get the 10% success fee. Let's say, nanalo yung trading ni bot o ni AI in certain amount, then you get the 10%. And then, half of it will be dispersed to the network. So, you get 50% up to 3.125%. Remember, no license, no earning. Simple. It doesn't make sense, 'di ba? Everyone has the license tapos ikaw kumikita naman, 'di ba? So, this is something, but dito sabi nga natin, if you're sharing this, mas malaki yung percentage na makukuha mo. So for example, let's say in one cycle, okay, kumita ng $50. So ang success fee nun is 10%. Okay? So ngayon, yung sa $5 na yon, okay, kukunin natin yung 50%, okay? Yung 50% mapupunta sa company, and then yung 50% mapupunta sa network. And then out of that 50%, you will get the 50% of the $250, which is $125. So imagine, every day, meron kang 10 o 20 na kumikita ka niyan, wala kang ginagawa because you are sharing the opportunity. We can discuss this further more, on a much deeper training if you wanted to, but this is just to give you the glimpse. Now, we have also the next way to earn, which is the 3FO level income. Okay? Separate na ngayon. Hindi na to kasama ngayon sa mga trading. This is just if you share and someone buy the license. Okay? This is the license opportunity income. License lang. Walang kinalaman ang trading, walang kinalaman yung manual, walang kinalaman lahat. So this is the affiliate income in 3FO if someone bought or buy the license. Okay? So, ignition pack or RIP auto trading license. Okay, this is the staking, different discussion, and this is the potential earning. So, this is the unilevel income plan. So, we need to have a group. This will be, sabi nga natin, mas maraming team, mas malaking team, mas malaki ang income. So, yun yung meron tayo dito. So, how else is going to work? Okay? So, let's say, meron kang level 1, okay? Kailangan mo ng 2 directs. 2 directs, and then, you need to have $1,000 volume. Okay? Pwede natin sabihin na yung 2 directs mo, bumili ng tig 500, o isang 700, isang 300, whatever the case is. Then, after that, you get 10% of each. Sabi nga natin kung subscription yung meron niya, kung ano man ang binili niyang product inside 3FO. Okay? And then, level 2, you have to have 3 directs, and then 5,500, and then you get 5%. So, nakuha niyo naman siguro yung idea. This is simply basically the building the team, and then you get paid more as you build your team. So up to level 8, you get paid up to 7 levels, and then 8 directs. Kung meron kang 8 direct referrals, you will earn all those percentage going up. So every levels na yan. Siyempre alam naman natin, if it's going to be a perfect system, then mas maraming tao ang nasa baba. And then, another 8 levels when you attain ranks. Okay? I will discuss the ranks later. Pero at least you have an idea how this works. So, you need to have 20 people wide, but it doesn't stop there. At least 20 people wide para magkaroon kayo ng income ng 15 levels deep. After 15 levels, your income is cut. Sa company naman pupunta yun, or sabi nga natin, yan yung buffer ng company. And then we have the ranking, okay? So there are rank criteria. So these are the criteria, okay? So you have to have this number required active directs, business volume, of course, number of team size, this 40-30-30 ratio, which I will explain later, and then the rank 10, which is the highest rank. So how are we going to attain rank 1? Okay, you need to have 3 direct referrals. And then these 3 direct referrals must have a volume of at least $15,000 and 30 members below you. So sabihin na natin, let's say, tig-10 kayo ng tao bawat isang direct referrals, and you get 30 with a volume of $15,000, then you get a direct bonus of $1,000. The same with rank 2 and rank 3. Okay? Pero meron pang isang requirements, yung 30-30-40 ratio. So how are we going to attain that? So simple. But isipin ninyo, you are just going to rank 1, 2, 3. Pag na-attain nyo na yan, And then you'll be able to at least get a bonus of $9,000 extra income. Bonus lang yan, okay? Wala yung kinalaman doon sa mga binanggit ko lahat na pinagkakakitaan. It's all separate. Now, this is the 30-30 ratio, 30-30-40 ratio, like I mentioned, okay? But before that, this volume is 100% RIP sales or 100% licensed sales only. Okay, so this is the 30-30-40 ratio. Let's say, to attain rank 1, is, nakuha nyo na itong lahat ng lahat ng criteria na itong tatlong na to. But you have to have this distribution on your team. So 30% dapat dun sa isang leg, okay? And then 40% sa isang leg, 30% sa isang leg, and 30% sa isang leg nitong total of 15,000. Okay? Diyan total 15,000 yan. Then, this is the time you completed the ladder, and then you get 1,000 reward. And the same for these two as well. Then now you have your foundations. Imagine if you have started this and lahat sila ginagawa yung ginagawa mo. Then you can start being a good leader and then sharing this more. So attain these ranks, okay, by these qualifications. So you can see these qualifications for you to be able to attain each rank. And then you get these bonuses along the way. Tingnan natin kung hindi magbago ang lifestyle natin, ang pamumuhay natin with this kind of bonuses. Imagine a total of over $16 million just by being a good leader, just by sharing this opportunity. Okay? So this rank system works because of these criterias. Okay? You can take the screenshot para at least maintindihan natin, but this is really a powerful criteria that is really working in any affiliate marketing industry. This is going to work. Now, we have two platforms, and we have multiple stream of incomes. Okay, I already discussed to you about the trading, the level income, and then of course the compensation plan of 3FO. So you have the 3FO, everyone who is buying the license, you get potential outcomes. Here you have the ranking and everything, and then the RIP, you have also the level system, and then of course your trading, your personal trading portfolio, wherein you can earn more the way depending on your license as well. So these are the two the two platforms that we have with the multiple income streams, which is ready to prepare. So these are the compensation plan terms. You can take a screenshot. I will not discuss this para matapos na tayo, and then because I'm excited to share my dashboard. Okay? So yun ang natin. And then, so thank you so much. And then if you really want to read the compensation plan, ask the people the terms, the T's and C's. You can ask the people that show you this video or invited you here, and then sabi nga natin, you can discuss this with them. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, you can ask question muna, and then we can show the dashboard. I'm really excited for that. Any
Share
question
the
po?
dashboard na lang, sir.
Show the dashboard. Ayan, nasabi ko na nga ba eh. So let me share my screen. Okay. Let me show the dashboard. Nasaan na ba yung dashboard ko? Naku, Ma'am Elena, nawawala na yata yung dashboard ko. Nakikita niyo po yung screen ko? Hello po.
Opo.
Yun. Nakikita niyo na yung dashboard ko. Okay.
Opo.
So this is my dashboard. So isa-isahin natin yung mga binanggit ko kanina. So let's go first with you control your funds. You control your assets. Okay? So paano natin malalaman? Okay. So in this one, dito natin malalaman that we are in control of our funds. Bakit natin nasabi? Okay? Kasi pagka nag-create ka ng wallet, nag-create ka ng account kay Ref, after creation of the accounts, you will have this app. Itong nakikita mong app na to. Okay? So, yung email address mo, yung registered mo, ito naman, edit lang niya kung ano yung gusto mong nickname o whatever. No, 'di ba? Nandito na yung switching to demo or to live. Okay? So, yan. Kita nyo, napansin niyo yung aking demo na uubos na po yung aking demo account kasi siguro mali yung strategy ko, whatever, kung ano man ang nangyayari sa market. Okay? Pero, that's fine. It's just the virtual fund. Ang importante yung live funds ko. Okay? Now, meron tayong sabi nga natin risk appetite at saka yung strategies na pwede natin gamitin using the lightning mode and the high risk mode. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo how we are going to use this. Okay? Pero yan yung natin. Kasi ang pinaka-importanting part natin dito is this. Ito. Wait. Ito ang pinaka-importante dyan. Wallet security. Dito natin masasabi na bakit tayo ay in control of our funds. Unang-una, once we created the account here or we registered in Rift, we get our own wallet address. This is non-custodial wallet address. Okay? Yan yung pinaka-importante dyan. So, at least meron ka ng wallet address na sabi nga natin ginagamit dito. Ngayon, kung may wallet address ka na, sabihin natin, wallet address lang yan. What will happen kung wallet address lang yan, di ba? So, ang pinaka-importante diyan kasi, hindi mo magagamit yan or hindi mo mabubuksan yan without the security. And ano yun? Yun yung private key. So, the private key is here. Okay? Pag kinilik ko yan, syempre hindi ko kiklik. Marireveal ko sa inyo yung private key ko. Mamaya kopyahin nyo yan, di ba? Wawa naman yung account ko. This private key is, ito yung pinakang susi. Pinakang susi ng wallet address mo. So, ang pinakang way para makita mo yung, sabi mo, yung wallet address mo is to import this wallet to any decentralized wallet o hot wallet na meron tayo out there. Ano ba yung mga yon? You can use MetaMask, Token Packet, Trust Wallet, SafePal, Binance Wallet, every wallet, okay, na nagso-support ng base network. Okay? Na may base network siya. Okay? Make sure na merong base network nagso-support. Baka kasi i-download niyo yung Tron. I'm not sure kung ang Tron is supporting na other networks, but Tron wallet is mostly for Tron use only. So may mga specific sila. I believe Solana is supporting base. So maraming wallet tayo. So ganito. Remember, in crypto, this is the most important thing for you to remember. In crypto, if it's not your key, it's not your asset. Anong ibig ko sabihin doon? Ito yung tatandaan nyo. If it's not your key, it's not your asset. Ibig sabihin niyan, let's say, tuwan-tuwa kayong gamitin nyo si Binance, di ba? Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, di ba? Yung mga exchange, Coinbase, lahat ng exchange, okay? Remember, doon naglalagin kayo with username and password, di ba? Tapos yon kasi centralized yon. Ibig sabihin, it can be controlled by the government. It can be controlled by any government entities. So, pag nag-shutdown yung Binance at nandun sa loob ng Binance yung account nyo, yung asset ninyo, yung Bitcoin nyo, yung Ethereum nyo, yung USDC nyo, pag sinutdown nila yon, wala na yung asset mo. Okay? Dito, hindi. Okay. In-import nyo kay MetaMask. Okay? In-import nyo kay MetaMask. Nakikita nyo kay MetaMask yung wallet. Nag-shutdown si MetaMask. Boom. O di import nyo naman ngayon kay SafePal. Okay? Kasi meron kayong private key. Nag-shutdown si SafePal. O dilipat nyo kay Token Packet o kaya kay Trust Wallet. Kasi meron kayong private key. That's the important thing. Kaya ito rin yung isa pang importanteng gagawin nyo. Make sure na meron kayong backup nito, multiple backup, okay? At isa pa, pag itinago nyo, siyempre itatago nga natin kasi to keep it safe. Pero make sure na makikita ninyo ulit. Hindi yung pag tinago nyo, hindi nyo na makikita forever. Okay? Dahil ito yung susi. Diba? So, ganon. Ganon kaganda yung ating natin. Nakikita ninyo kung nasaan yung assets natin because of this key. So, multiple backups. Meron po, sa ngayon, merong clouds. Okay? Meron tayong iCloud, merong OneDrive, may Dropbox. I-save nyo yung file doon. O kaya, meron tayong mga password managers na po pwede nyo i-save yung mga kung natin doon. As an IT person, this is just a recommendation. Okay? I can say it's possible to put it on your email, pero I am not recommending it kasi email can be hacked. Okay, nahahack po kasi ang email. Okay? So, I mean, I'm not saying na magpo-focus ang mga bad actors sa mga tulad natin na hindi naman ganun kasi sikat na mga sabi nga natin sikat na mga artista or personalities. But just to be safe, what if RIP give us millions of dollars in after 10 years or after 20 years, 'di ba? So yun yung kung lang natin is make sure. So print it as well kung possible kasi yung print out ilagay nyo sa kan po pwede natin kopyahin yun. Medyo mahaba nga lang yan pag kinopya but still so yun lang yung mga backups na kailangan natin gawin. This is to make sure that everything is safe for us. Sinasama ko na to sa training para naman hindi siya makalimutan ng kung sino man yung manonood nitong video na to. This is really, really important. Okay? So at least you have the idea now. Okay? Nakakatuwa lang na mayroon na kayong idea kung paano gamitin to. Now, let's go with what happened to my account. Okay? So, ito na yung nangyari sa account ko. Okay? Sabi natin, paano yung kumikita tayo ng walang sabi nga natin, walang kapital. Okay? So, nag-start ako dito. I-click nyo lang itong referral and rewards para makita ninyo kung sino yung mga ni-refer nyo kasi dito makikita nyo rin yung link nyo. So, pag nag-registered kayo, kay RIP, magkakaroon kayo ng sarili ninyong link. And then, kakopy nyo lang yan and then isi-share nyo na kahit kanino. Okay? Pag sinare na yan, siyempre magti-trade na. Okay? So yan, yung lahat ng magti-trade under you, yan yung makikita niyo yung network na yan. Okay? So itong network na to, ang meron tayo. Ayan. So yung mga under sa'yo, yung mga nag-registered under sa'yo using your link, yan na ngayon yung kan. Now, imagine niyo no, wala akong ginagawa. Wala akong ginagawa even though sabi nga natin ngayon, but I am already earning. Meron na akong 48 cents doing nothing. Because, bakit? Kasi someone in my team, okay? Someone in my team here, itong out of these 43, numbers na to 43, merong nagtitrade manually. Hindi ko kilala kung sino yung nagtitrade manually sa kanila, pero may nagtitrade manually sa kanila. So because of that, maliliit man yung itinitrade nila, kumita ako ng 48 cents. Kailan? Last week, winidraw ko na yung 10.78. So ibig sabihin, kasi ang minimum natin ay $10. Okay, $10 para ma-withdraw natin. So winidraw ko na yung 10.78. Okay? Nakuha ko na. So ibig sabihin, nagkaroon ako ng puhunan nang wala akong nilabas. Okay? Yung nakikita nyo kanina is nasa auto trading mamaya, which is di-discuss natin mamaya. So imagine nyo, ang total lifetime income ko na is $11.26 since nag-start ako ng RIF. Kumita ko ng $11. Okay? Alam natin maliit lang yan sa iba, pero sa iba, life-changing numbers na po yan. Okay? Depende lang po sa lugar. But siguro sa inyo hindi, pero this is something. Okay? Ibig sabihin, nakapag-start na akong mag-trade ng manually. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, without capital na nakalagay dito, pwede kayong mag-start kumita without capital. Napakaganda. Which is really, really amazing na naging to. So, yan na. Yan yung proof sa inyo na sabi ko nga sa inyo, pwede kayong kumita without capital. It's just, of course, you just have to do the work. Okay? Hindi po ito pag nag-register ka, matutulog ka na lang at kikita ka na lang. Sharing the opportunity is the best. So, ganun po kasimple. Ito naman yung nangyari sa akin kailan ba? Parang 3 days ago. Okay? So, 3 days ago, balik tayo sa kon ko. Okay? Dito, kung napapansin nyo, last week, meron akong $7 dito. Okay? $7. Okay? Tapos, winidraw ko yung 1078. So, nagkaroon ako ng $17. Okay? $17. 17 point something dollars. Tama, di ba? So, yan. Tapos, ang ginawa ko, nung magko-compound ako, sabi ko, pinindot ko, okay, nung magko-compound ako sa auto trading ko, nagkamali ako ng pindot. Okay? Ay, sorry. Naku, nawala pa yung sharing ko. Wait lang po share ko ulit ha. Wait lang po. Naku, nawala pa. Maganda na yung story nasa momentum na eh. Di ba, Ma'am Grace, no? Hindi yata nakikinig si Ma'am Grace.
Maganda nga eh.
Ito, Ma'am Elena, yung nangyari, no? Nandito ako ngayon sa page na to. Nandito ako sa page na to. Di ba, na-withdraw ko na yung 1078, so may $18 ako. Accidentally, napindot ko tong trade. Kasi hindi ko napindot, hindi ko alam kung bakit ko napindot. Nagtaka ako, pumasok yung trading. Hindi ko na-notice na pumasok na pala yung withdraw kong $1078. So nag-click ako, pag-click ko may trade. Sabi ko, bakit nagkaroon ng trade? Sabi ko, bakit kaya nangyari? Ngayon, sabi ko, bakit? So tiningnan ko ngayon sa wallet ko, naalala ko nga pala na meron akong $7 tapos yung 1078. Okay? Mamaya nyo napansin, wag nyo na muna pansinin kung bakit $10 yung nakalagay dyan. Okay? Papaliwanag ko kung bakit. Okay. Ngayon, nag-trade siya. Sabi ko, patay. So, pinabayaan ko na lang. Hindi ko na muna siya, ano ba yan? Lagi na lang akong mali. One more time. One more time.
Excited na kasi.
Natuwa lang kasi ako.
Excited. Thank you for sharing, sir.
Natuwa ako doon sa nangyari ba? Totoo lang. Ang laki ng tinawa ko sa pangyayari nga. Hindi naman siya ganun kalaking bagay, pero kung tutuusin, ang laki ng So ngayon, na-click ko nga, nagkaroon ako. So, sabi ko, sige, okay na yan. So, kinontinue ko na yung compounding ko, nag-compound na ako, and then, pinabayaan ko na yung nag-trade na yun. Sabi ko, baka nag-trade. Bakit siya nag-trade? Okay? So, ang ginawa ko, kinabukasan, binisit ko yung na-trade. Sabi ko, tingnan ko kung anong nangyari. So, tiningnan ko yung position. Ngayon may nakita ko dito, hindi ito wag niyo titingnan muna yan, hindi yan. Kumbaga, may nakita ko ditong isang naka-trade, merong isa dito nakalagay. Hindi itong BNB pero it's parang ganyan, no? Ganyan yung nangyari. Ayan. So, ilalabas na natin siya. So, nag-close na siya. Automatic nag-close. Okay? Ang matindi nito, ito yung tinrade ko. Ito yan. Yan, tinrade ko. Nakita nyo ba? Nag-take profit. So, kumita ako ng 65% or $7 dun sa trade na yun. Ganon ka-powerful ang manual trading. Kung sa auto trading, wala tayong ginagawa, but this one is really powerful. Imagine niyo 65% in one day. Accidental nga lang to, but I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful for this. Yung $10 ko, kumita ako ng $7. Ay, yung $11 kasi $11 yan eh. Kung bakit ko kinita yung $11 na yan is because of the strategy na meron ako. Okay? Yung nakaset up ko na strategy ay ganito. Ito. Kung papansinin nyo dito sa lightning mode, nakakuha ako dito, naka 3x ako dito. Dito yung naka 3x ako noon. Tapos, yung sa risk ko, naka 6x ako dito. Okay? Naka 6x yan. So hindi ko na binago yan, hindi ko ginalaw, hindi ko ano, kasi do sa cellphone ko ginawa, hindi dito sa laptop. Ganun yung nangyari, and then eventually pagkatapos nga nagkaroon ako ng take profit. So nag-take profit ako. So ngayon kahapon ba? Yeah, kahapon nag-trade ako ng dalawa. Itong hype, which is nag-close siya sa stop loss. So ibig sabihin na nakakatuwa dito, ibig sabihin kahit na natalo ako ng 27%, pero $3 lang. Okay? May natira pa rin din sa $11 ko. Okay? And besides, yung isa, yung tinrade ko kahapon, so nung una, isa lang ang trade ko, ngayon dalawa na. Nagkaroon ako ng isa pa ngayon active na buy, itong BNB. So right now, I am at 18%. So pwede ko nang i-close to, then kumita na ako ng $2.42. Okay? Kaninang umaga nung binisita ko to, nasa $4 na yan. Okay? Kaya lang hindi ko siya close kanina dahil excited akong ipakita sa inyo. So nagsakripisyo ako ng $2 ngayon para makita ninyo yung nangyari sa akin, which is really amazing. So in any time po pwede ko itong i-close, but siguro hindi ko muna i-close. Tingnan natin kung ano abutin. Kasi market is going down, so malaki pa ang potential na tumaas pa to. But yun yung nangyari sa akin na experience ko. So ngayon, instead na isa na lang yung pang-trade ko, may pang-trade na ako ngayon pa dalawang trade dahil sa puhunan kong $10 galing sa kung sino man ang nag-trade sa akin na wala akong ginagawa, and then yan. Okay? So yun yung meron tayo dito sa ganito ka-powerful ang ating trading platform. Simply pero rock. Okay. Now let's go to my automated engine. Okay? So as of the moment, okay? Okay? Ito yung active capital ko. Okay? This is the active capital. Ito yung naka-trade, kumbaga, sabi nga natin. Okay? So I have alpha flow, sabi nga natin alpha flow. Yan. So ngayong araw na to, kaninang umaga around 9 AM dito, nag-reinvest na ako. Okay? So manual ang reinvesting kasi ayaw natin ng automated kasi kung anytime na gusto nating withdrawin yung kinita natin, and then you can do as you want. Hindi to tulad nito, mayroon na akong available balance ulit na $41. Anytime pwede ko na tong i-withdraw, and then sabi nga natin, ilagay na natin sa wallet, and then we can convert it as good as cash. So ganun lang kasimple yung natin. So what's more exciting here is alin? Alin ba yung mas more exciting dito? Ito. Imagine niyo na in the last 7 days, I earn 5% o 5.3%. Masama pa ba sa inyo na kumikita ka ng 5% every week? This is not sabi natin, this is not fixed o constant, but pwedeng bumaba, pwedeng tumaas. No, so let's say 3% na lang ang pinakangkuan mo. Lagyan na natin. Kumikita ka ng 3%, yung pera mo kumikita ng 3% a week. Hindi ko alam sa inyo kung gaano kaliit sa inyo yan, but for me, it's something. So imagine niyo from the time that I started here, okay? I think it's 50 days ago kasi 365 yung, di ba? 365. So 50 days ago, kumita na ako ng 1,600. in almost 2 months na nandito tayo sa ref, kumita ako nito, this is not bad. Sabi nga natin, this is life-changing for me. Kasi hindi natin sasabihin na saan ba natin kukunin yan, di ba? Which is something, nakakatuwa. Yan, at ang matindi nito, wala akong ginagawa. Ang pinakang ginagawa ko lang every morning dito sa ref ay itong reinvest. Every morning, it doesn't matter. Basta morning ako from 8 o from 6 to 9 in the morning, nandun yung way of nagre-reinvest ako. Okay? So, reinvest lang muna. Reinvest kasi sabi nga natin, compounding is the one of the most powerful ano ba yan? System na meron in any financial institution. So, compounding. So, ganun lang yung ginagawa ko. So, kung tutuusin nyo, no, kung bakit meron ako nito 6,400 ito, is ito plus ito. Okay? So, yan yung total niyan. Exactly. No? Tapos, hindi pa tayo natatapos yan, syempre. Gusto ko rin makita ninyo kung paano tayo kumikita sa referral. Okay? So, at the moment, imagine ninyo, okay, meron na akong $163 dahil meron akong 45 active o 45 members na nagte-trade below me. Okay? Hindi yan direct referrals ko lang. Hindi yan ibig sabihin yung direct sa akin. Okay? Ito ay yung nasa mga levels. Kung papansin niyo dito, okay, wait. Kung mapapansin niyo dito, okay, yan. May level 1, level 2, yan, level 3, level 5, di ba? Kumikita ako diyan, okay? Level 5, level 4. Magtataka kayo diyan, bakit 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0? It's just because of the decimal. Siguro nandito pa lang sa yung 001 or 001 or 00, wait. 0001, kaya hindi pinakikita. Kasi 2 decimal lang yung pinakikita. Pero pag naiipon, imagine niyo yung naiipon, okay? Ang naipon ko na ay $163. Not a big money again. Maliit lang. Pero this is life-changing sa iba. Sabi nga natin, and besides, napakalaking one natin doon sa akin. Doing nothing. And this is the power of automated trading. So meron ka ng, kung gusto niyo ng mas malaking income at tayo, total mga traders din naman kayo, then this is your opportunity to do the manual. Nakita niyo naman yung kinita ko one time. Di ba? 60% in one trade. Imagine niyo kung $10,000 yun. Tapos 60%. That is $6,000 na tumataginting. Kung nangyari yun, kung nagkataon na yun. 'Di ba? Kasi traders kayo, you know how to deal futures trading and everything, how to do these things and that. Ako kasi hindi. I have been studying, or sabi nga natin, tagal ko na pinag-aaralan yan, pero never akong naging kwan talaga sa trading. But because of this system, hindi nyo kailangang maging emotional or maging kwan. Nasa sa inyo na lang if you want to close the trade or keep it trading. What's impressive right now, to be honest, when we started here, this total pool that we have, parang kahapon lang, this is 3.8 something. Ngayon, 4.15. Ang bilis nag-grow ni Ref. And this is what makes Ref so powerful. So, yun po. And thank you so much. And if you have any questions, I am happy to answer the questions.
Sir Dennis, yung ano mo, ang bilis ano? Ako po may question. yung referral earnings mo, naka-add na ba yun doon sa total